This video is sponsored by Altum Designer. The link is below the video in the description box. Altum Designer is the world's most trusted PCB design system. Altum Designer enables engineers to effortlessly connect with every facet of the electronics design process. Over 35 years of innovation and development focused on a truly unified design environment makes it the most widely used PCB design solution. With Altum Designer, you can create PCB designs with an intuitive and powerful interface that connects you to every aspect of the electronic design process. You can get Altum Designer for free through the link below the video in the description box. Register immediately to start designing your projects. Altum 365 Designs, the fastest design review ever, allows you to share your designs from anywhere and with anyone with a single click. Also, you can trust Octapart Electronic Component Insights experience to recommend the best component to fit your criteria, so you can focus more on problem solving and thinking creative way.